My name is Charles Obero, Captain Kisii School Rugby. This feeling is very electric, that's all I could say, especially being the highest stage for rugby in the whole central and eastern region. Our school, Kisii School Rugby, or if you may like Raptors Rugby, have managed to carry the trophy, and as a team we are very excited, we're very happy. It was within our expectations, we worked very hard, and for us we can only say that this is the beginning for future teams to come, and this is the right foundation that we have set for them, and that they now have a clear target to work towards it. It has been a very long and tough journey, I'm not going to lie, with many setbacks such as injuries in the team, but all along we managed to get through our dark phases together, managed to bond as a team, and we managed to emerge victorious. Success. Our success, we can put it on our coach over here because he has been with us throughout. He had faith in us, he has never given up in us, and he has equipped us with the skills, the technical know-how on how to manage to get to this level, and finally we have been able to carry the trophy home.
Thank you. We retain this trophy actually, and we create a platform for our players to join the national team and to explore their talent elsewhere. What next after this? There's a lot in place because our federation is planning to take our boys to a trip in Europe to explore their talent there. Yes.
School and Kisii RFC. We put this match on God. We put this on our principle because of the support, and I would like to thank the players on behalf of our technical bench for the effort, for the hard work that they put in, for the commitment, for the endurance until these points that they managed to win the biggest title in high school rugby.
Dogs in terms of rugby 15s. We began this journey by going to the nationals in 2023. In 3 years, God has been on our side, and we've clinched the highest title in high school rugby, that is rugby 15s in East Africa. Allow me, I want to thank our students. These are our heroes, our technical team, our teachers who have supported us in cheering the team and even giving out their financial support. We equally want to thank our support staff. We've enjoyed massive support from the leadership of the chair of the board by giving us the resources that we did use. Not forgetting our very able education stakeholders who have supported us this far. To our friends who have been cheering us out there, may God eternally bless you. We've cleared the games now. We have our boys who are in Form 4 in this team. Our next move is to prepare them for university so that they'll be able to go and even put forward and use their talents. And I'm looking forward to seeing some of them.
My name is Dr. Paul Orina, the chair of the board, Kisii High School. First and foremost, I just want to congratulate our boys and the technical team for the hard work. It wasn't a mean feat. We had the teams from the other parts of East Africa, who of course were fielding boys even as far as Form 6, Form 5 and 6. So they are fairly slightly older than our boys. But what actually helped us to go through from our technical bench is being more tactical than physical. And that gave us mileage. And I also want to appreciate the school management headed by our chief principal, Fred Mogaka, and all the teachers who were there 24/7 with the boys. The motivation that the boys received from the board of management and the old boys also spurred the boys and encouraged them to scale one day at a time in every match that they faced. We also want to appreciate the county education office headed by Chirchir. He was very supportive and was following, and actually he even joined the boys in Kakamega. That is the indication that we want in terms of talent and talent nurturing. The challenge that I would probably pose is to our Minister of Sports in the country, Honorable Salim Mvurya, that he also gets time to appreciate these boys. It's an East African tournament. It's a big thing that Kenya has won, and now the challenge that we have ahead is to retain it. I also pose this challenge to the president of the rugby at the national level, that our sisters should also have a chance to come and appreciate these boys before probably the exams begin. It's not an easy thing. Until you win it, then you feel it. But we also want to congratulate the teams that participated: Uganda, Rwanda, Tanzania, And of course, our local teams, especially All Saints from Embu.
Let me thank our boys. The boys are here, you can remember that when they won the national championship, we gave them a goat. Now we are going to give them a cow. Secondly, Chief Principal kindly accepted that after the school opens, as a county, we come as a team. Now we are celebrating. We come as a team at least to be able to share 2-3 things. That